Construction workers don't just need your average pair of pants, they need pants that are going to withstand the labor they do every day. If you're a construction worker, you probably know just how hard it is to find the perfect pair of pants. For most people, choosing a pair of pants isn't explicitly complicated. However, for construction workers, it absolutely can be. We are here to help. The construction work pants recommended in this video are comfortable, stretchable, with pockets for tools, and durable to help you choose the best of the best.
Made with comfortable ripstop fabric and roomy side cargo pockets. Long-lasting durability and a lifetime warranty.
The Catworkware C172 Trademark Pant. It's tough as nails. It's why it's our #1 selling pant. It's a fan favorite. The C172 has a proprietary C2X fabric. It's Cordura, so it's tough on the outside, but it's brushed for softness on the inside, so it's comfortable to wear. The pant features Cordura fabric on the knees for long-lasting durability. Gripper tape on the waistband keeps the pants right where they should be. These pants feature hook and loop fasteners for attaching a work belt. The fold-out pockets on the front of the pant and the pockets on the back of the pant are made out of an Oxford denier, so it's super durable and they'll last. This is a cell phone pocket with secure flap closure and an attached tool loop. We have a ruler pocket with a carpenter loop, and it's unstitched at the bottom for mobility when bending down. On the left side, we have a bellowed cargo pocket with secure flap closure and layered multi-purpose pockets attached to it. These pants have articulated knees with a top-loading knee pad pocket. The pocket makes it very easy to remove the knee pad for washing, and the articulated knee makes the pant very comfortable when bending down. At the bottom of the pant, we have an extra durable Oxford kicker panel and scuff guard, and that'll keep the bottom of these pants lasting longer. And that's the Cat C172 Trademark Pant. It's the hardest working pant in the business.
There's a reason some people go to the gym. Because they don't do what you do every day. Lifting, climbing, lunging, and repeating till the job's done right. This is your workout. This is your gym. And these are the boots and workwear that stretch, support, and protect you every step of the way.
Hey everyone, my name is Ryan. I'm from Timberland Pro, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about our new workwear line that provides the comfort, durability, and performance that you need on the job site. It's based on a layering system that provides ultimate adaptability no matter what the day throws at you. Today we're going to talk about the Timberland Pro Gridflex Canvas Work Pant. It is no secret that having the right tool is key for any job at hand. It is no different when it comes to work pants. A work pant needs to be comfortable, durable, and perform at the highest level so you can get the job done. This pant provides the right blend of cotton and stretch for comfort, durability, and range of motion. The reinforced cotton and nylon blended fabric is placed strategically on the knee overlay, pocket trim, coin pocket, and back kick plate for abrasion and wear resistance. These pants are built to last. There is also a drain hole on the bottom of the knee overlay to release trapped dirt and grime. This pant also features zippered pockets to help secure cell phones, keys, or other must-haves. The Gridflex pant is our original fit, meaning it is relaxed through the hip and thigh and straighter at the leg. The leg opening is designed to fit comfortably over our Timberland Pro footwear. The crotch gusset provides freedom of movement, and ergonomic pockets give versatility for carrying all sorts of tools.
double knee pant is designed for active use in environments ranging in temperature and conditions. Built with a 4-way stretch Tweave DuraStretch, this pant is like nothing the workwear category has ever seen. Full military spec construction and material. Tough as nails but highly mobile and adaptable. Faster drying, stain, chemical, and water resistant. It's the ideal everyday work pant. The double knee pant also has reinforced ankles and fully articulated knees, featuring a zip side pocket for your keys, watch pocket, 1620 signature framer back pocket with pencil loops, a side phone pocket, and a total of 9 pockets for a variety of storage configurations. Fabric is woven in Massachusetts, pants are sewn in America.